middle, but you gotta park on the edge. I got the 10R back.
Sound like trouble. What's up, woman? What's up, sir?
Man, good to see you.
Chilling. I know, right?
It's a good man.
Chilling? In the days, about to get me some water.
Oh, okay.
There's no more. You know. All right, back. What's up, sir?
Hey, my brother, how you feeling?
Chilling. Good.
Asia.
What's up, Miss Asia?
He's the president of the Gun RunnaZ. He's the president of the Gun RunnaZ.
They ain't saying nothing.
Especially him. They're all trouble.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, the Trouble Boys are here. Trouble, I'm glad to see y'all in jeans.
I ain't seen you in a while, man.
I know, man. I ain't been up this joint since before Myrtle.
Yeah.
You know, I've been kind of wait. Hey, what's going on, man?
How you doing?
All right. You changed your bike color?
Mine,
I thought yours was white.
No, mine was white.
Oh, okay. Hey, who was I thinking of? One of yours? Oh, okay. Oh, I didn't know that. Okay.
I like it better than you.
700. I'm gonna get my money's worth. I couldn't find a place to bring my selfie stick.
Right.
That'll be where my money's worth. I never get my money. Well, my Dionysus I did, but I got these new joints now that I ain't getting my money's worth. I'm sorry, I gotta get one.
He's one of them.
Oh, this breeze feels good. I feel better now. Gonna get a little sun, a little coverage. Gonna get a little.
I thought I saw Kim. The highway boys were here.
Oh no, that was another. Yeah, they're here. But not two. That was another.
I got them squeezing me, dog.
You guys go one more time.
One more time.
Are you feeling mighty?
Yeah!
Thank you very much, everybody.
You ever do tours or you strictly?
Hey, happy birthday to you.
Oh, now you gotta see the blackbird.
That one. I didn't know which black version we was talking. You know, black people got like 8 happy birthday songs. I don't know.
Happy birthday to you.
Alright, that's what you're
I was just thinking, let me get my camera all dirty. Let me see if I can clean this. Uncle Julio's, huh?
So y'all came from Ikea?
Yeah. We closed the place down. GR and GG. GG. Look at all these cows. Cow. And another cow. Who runs the cities of DC? Kawasaki. The official bike of the DMV, official bike of Gunner Girls, official bike of Gun Runners. Tell me that's not true. All these Kawasaki's.
Are you recording?
Yes, I am.